Hey, hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to connect to MySQL by using Node.js. So let's get started. So first we need to install two important packages, okay? So they are Express and MySQL. So just go to your folder in the terminal and type npm i express space MySQL and just hit enter. So once the packages are installed, just go to your folder and create a new .js file. So I will just name it as main.js, okay? And let's now begin to code. So first thing, as usual, we will just import the packages. So it's going to be const express equal to require express, and the next line const mysql equal to require mysql. But I think mysql package alone is enough to connect with the local mysql db, but for other operations like put and post api calls, I think you will also require express. So it's always better to have both of them installed. The next thing, we will be creating our MySQL connection. So it's going to be const con be my connection name equal to MySQL, that is this variable over here, MySQL dot create connection, and just open circular bracket, curly bracket, and inside this, here you will be specifying the name of the host, user, and password. So host, by default, it's going to be localhost, as I am using localhost over here. So it's going to be localhost. To be like really careful over here with the spellings. And next thing is the user. So my username is root. So this directly corresponds to the user that you are having over here. So this one, this root, okay. And the password is same for your connection as well. So just come out of this. And next thing is password. And I am having the password as root123. By default, many of you will be having the same root. It will be the user and password, and in case if you have some other password, you can just type it out over here. So that's it, we are done with our connection now. And next thing, we will be using the connect function. So it's going to be con dot connect, okay. And this connect will be having a callback function, okay. So it's going to be function, and this callback will have a parameters error that is used to catch the error, okay. And we'll just have like this, and if there is any error, it will just, you will just console log that error, and in case if that error, there isn't any error, this condition will be false and the else block will be getting executed. So it's going to be else console dot log, I will just have connected, okay, connected. Yeah, I think that's it. We are now good to run the code. Basically, like, these things are enough to create a normal connection with the, by using your Node.js to a local MySQL. So now let me just run it. So for running it, node, your file name, mine, it's main.js, so main.js. So here you can see I'm getting connected, which means that there isn't any errors. This error is false. So now what we can do is, let's just create a new database, okay. So for that, what we are doing is, inside this else block, we will add a condition or a query to create a database, because if there isn't any error, we will be creating a new database. So for that, just come to the next line. We are going to type con, this variable, connection variable that we have, con dot query. Okay, this is that function, and inside this we can type normal SQL commands. So I'm going to type create database. I will just name the database as MySQL node db, something like that. And this also will have a callback function just to catch the error and the result. So function, it's going to be err comma result, or let me just put it as r, and I will have like this, and you may can just copy this and paste it over here, and here you can like have a console log db created. Simple, I guess. So now we'll just save it. So I think it's like really simple. Once there isn't any error, we will be getting the console as created, and next our query will be getting executed and our database will be created. But if there is any error creating the database, that will be caught by this callback function, and that error will be consoled. And if we aren't having any errors, that means that our database will be getting created and this message will be getting printed over here. So I think that's good. So before running this, I will stop the existing program, Control C, And here, okay, here you can see the list of databases. This is MySQL workbench. So here you can see the list of databases. So I'm not having the name as, what's the name, MySQL NodeDB. Here that name is not there. So once I run this program, that name will be appearing over there as well. So I will just run node main.js. So I'm having connected DB created, which means that there isn't any error over here. And if I just now go to my MySQL workbench and refresh it, so here you can see I'm having MySQL node DB appearing over here. That is because of the code that we have run. So which means that our Node.js program has been successfully connected, and we have also verified with the query. So that's like double checking it. So I think that's it for this video, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also done many other videos in Node.js, React.js, SQL queries, C, C++, Java, Python as well. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me, and thanks for watching.